Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text in OBS Studio step by step. Adding text is a great way to display your name, social media handles, announcements, or other information during your recording or live stream. So let's get started. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Next, select the scene where you want to add the text. Then go to the Sources panel. Click the plus button. From the lists, select Text GDI+. Enter a name for your text source. Then click OK. Now type the text you want to display. Next, choose the font size, and text color if you want to customize it. Then click OK. Your text will now appear in the preview window. Click and drag the text to move it to the position you want. You can also resize the text by dragging the corners. Once you're happy with the result, the text will appear in your recordings and live streams. And that's it. You've successfully added text in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more OBS Studio tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.